Hello everyone! This is me again, Mrs. Kim Blake. And of course, my husband Corey. Welcome to my vlog. This is my year 3. Hello guys! So for today's video, we're going to Bataan. We're going to Kamaya Coast Resort in Bataan. So we're on our way now. It's 5:30 in the morning. And we need to be there at least I think 6 a.m. before 6 so we can get on. So we're here na po. We're gonna go to the ferry. It's just near lang, but this is the airport area. So we're just cruising, going there. It's accessible from our house going there because the skyway or this expressway is very convenient. It makes us travel easy and fast.
Traffic ng kailan yun? Ay, may dami taon nun. Valentine's.
So in this part, we're almost near. This is the entertainment city where all the nicest hotels are, like Okada, Soler. It's all here. City of Dreams. And it's casino. Hotel and casino. So we're near.
Laking bangka lang naman yung ferry. Ba't hindi yacht? Andun na kasi yung Philippine yacht.
That's steeper than I remember that to be.
Itong area na to na. Tapos malapit na rin sa airport. Yan, ganun yan ganun. Na may ano ba? May nananakbo. Sa may dampa na kayo.
Sabay dampa kayo dumaan.
How much?
Nandito na kami.
Oo.
Hindi.
Ayaw
Papunta
pandalian.
na kami doon sa terminal.
Andito na tayo sa terminal.
Ito na, terminal na to.
Ito na yan Ayun o. Yung bangka.
Dito kami doon.
Nasisira ko. Gusto ko umihi.
Full parking to.
That ferry?
Guys, we're here na at the Kamaya Coast Ferry Terminal. I don't know exact I don't know the exact word. But this is the terminal going there. Oh, there's so many people now. And this is the yacht. This is the ferry boat. Saan? There's na may magbibig. So let's go. Ferry boats. There's the line. There's the We're going lang po. We're going to Bataan.
May signal ba? Kita sa na cellphone ko.
So we're going in. Ay, dito yung scanning.
Yan na may sa akin,
Just verifying our boarding pass. So guys, we're boarding na. We're here in... Guys, I'm gonna secure lang my things. Mami, okay ka?
Bakit?
Tatanong lang.
I'm not okay because I want to pee.
Look at that. Kimaya. So we're gonna go to the ferry ride going to Bataan. And it's a beach. We're gonna go there.
Good morning.
Tamil.
Dito na lang po, ma'am, yung apat. Tapos yung the rest, scattered na. Pero magkakalapit na. Okay, bye. Okay, dito po isa. May dalawa.
Ay, maganda yan si Kuna tsaka si Kenneth dyan. Talaga? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Anong mas sa bakal yun?
Yabang maharap.
Hindi ako nga, tinitignan ko yung ano. Para papagayat eh.
Anong gusto mo ba sa school?
Guys, dito na kami. Ayun na. Ayun na. Si Christine.
Ayun.
Ayun na. Guys, nandito na kami. We're here. Ito, nag-video kasi ako. Yan na. Guys, we're here na. I slept all the way going here because it took us 2 hours 10 minutes going here from Manila. Now we're in Bataan. And it's kind of raining, but it's fine. Look, we're at the beach. That's about. There. Kita. I don't know where we're going, but yeah, there's the beach. We're going there to the beach. The floater is very floaty. This is Kamaya. Kamaya Cruise. It madulas.
Simula lang yan eh. Simula lang yan.
Ano ka ko? May nagreklamo na ba? Kasi mayroon kuya.
It's raining. Oh, look at the mountains. There. This is just free lang cause someone is someone is a member here. So we are invited to. Wait, guys. It's my aunt. May ganun pala.
Pwede sumakay.
Ba't hindi tayo sumakay?
Sumakay. Sumakay.
Food.
Food only. Ang dami pa na. May 300 plus ang passenger. Ito nakisunod na.
Ilan yung plus? Ilan yung plus?
380.
So guys, we're waiting lang but we're going there. Yes, we're here na. Look at the hats.
Parang 9 years ago pa nagplano si ano eh. 10 years ago, si Tita Bea pumunta dito. Di ba naalala mo yung kasal ni Milen? Di ba nag-book na ako noon? Oo. Andun din si Christine noon eh. Biglang pumunta rin ba si Christine dito? Oo, hindi pa. Hindi, yung ano, yung kasal ni Milen. Kasal ni Milen, no? Ibinok ko na yun eh. Hindi natuloy. Hindi natuloy. Okay na natuloy eh. Si Pigay malaki na.
Guys, we're here at Kamaya Cruise and there's lots of food stalls. We just got invited lang to here because someone is a member from Tita Joy's family. So I think it's Kuya Jello. There you go. And there's the potato corner. And there's food there, and then there's pancake house. Later, we're gonna go to another place. Yeah. And there's a lots of places there pa. There's the foods. My sister is gone. There they are. There's my mom. There's Steve. Hi. So we're here. Guys, we're just going around lang. This is the part of the hotel, but it's closed right now. It's being renovated, and there's the pool. It's a nice pool, but it's closed. They're renovating it, and this is the part of the sand. Ay, the what do you call it? Hello. Oh yeah. There's a jet ski. Oh, there's a turtle.
Wala. There's nothing now.
Ah, there's no.
But before, they have babies.
Ah.
Meron. 3K. 30 minutes.
Oh, sayang.
Nakita ko dito. Naka-video.
There's parang nakakatawa. Nakakatawa ka. Nakakot ako. Uy, may volleyball court.
Wala, hindi available. Ganun siya.
Ha? Ayun nga, may kayak. Guys, it's jellyfish season, so there's a warning sign, so you can't go over there like farther, but you can go kayaking, jet ski, and go to the inflatable island. There's people at the inflatable, but it's nice. Okay.
Kaya ang Diyos ko naman, kaya nga lang, bago ka naman makarating sa ano.
So guys, look at that. It's nice. But we're going to the ano yan? Kita na yung sinasabi mo.
May stinging marine life. Low hazard pero stinging marine life.
Saan ka part naman galing doon?
No. Ayaw.
Oo, may dito.
Hintay. Hmm? Dahil. Kid! Babe! Ay, sorry. I thought babe is here. Look, this is Makahiya. You touch it, it closes. Look. We call it Makahiya. I don't know in English, but Makahiya Makahiya means embarrassing plant. Like they feel they're bashful. So we're back na to we're back here at the, what do you call this? The restaurant area. And then we're gonna go later to Ferry. Ito, ang sarap dito. Dapat doon ka nakaharap. Ha? Power bank. So we're gonna eat lang, guys. This is our food. We're eating na. Everyone's eating. I'm not gonna show them, but they're all eating. And sister's eating. Kid. Ano ba? And there's a caramel bar. So we're just gonna eat here while enjoying the view. Guys, we're done eating na. We're just looking around and looking around and looking around and I'm on vlog.
Really?
So we're
Just keep looking around.
we're just gonna be like here looking around. So just speaking on you guys na. But we're going to ride mini Egypt, that one. Going up to the golf course and to the swimming pool area. So we're gonna
Looking around.
try to
Looking
swim with just feet lang because I can't swim right now eh. So there. So I'll update you later because we're gonna go around na lang to buy let's buy ano ba? Coffee. Okay, we're going. Bye-bye. So guys, we're here at UCC. This is a cafe here in Kamaya Coast. This is the Kamaya Coast. And then there's the pastries, coffee. And then there's wait lang. Tingnan ka lang. Cute. Look at their brewed coffee. Nice. Look at that. And then this one. So cute ah. Cute. Japan naman sila. So this is the cafe. UCC, but this branch is a full cafe. I don't know where it's, I think it's under renovation. So there's this and then this. So we're gonna sit lang to wait for our order because we ordered some some drinks while waiting. Because they said that we're gonna go down around 1 p.m. Diyan ka na. 1 p.m. So, there they are. So, I'll update you later. We're gonna wait for our food. I mean drinks. Guys, we just went there to UCC. And now, we got this.
Wala na.
Aray. Wala lang.
Yung wala na ears. Dapat dito na.
Chocolate, masarap. So we're going back because we're gonna ride na going to the ano ba tawag dun? Go around the area. Kid, I know what I'm supposed to say, but every time you talk, I know I drag into your mindset.
Hindi na pwede.
Yes, mom. So we're gonna go. We're gonna ride. So I'll update you guys whenever we get to the ano sa sila? Whenever we get to the Jeep. Jeep? Okay, we're gonna go to the Jeep.
Egypt ba yun?
No, it's an electric Jeep. So guys, we're going here to ride those kind of cars to there. I mean, going up. As we're going there, oh, can you see the building at the top of the mountain? Okay, that's where we're going. So, going up.
I like the view. View. The ocean. But not the baka niyo pa rin yata.
This is the map of the Kamaya Coast. We're somewhere here in this part. So now we're going up there. Oh, there's a mall. It says there's a mall. Let's go there. Kit, I think I'll ask for a refill. Oh, that's the mall. It says mall. We're just walking lang.
Yes, sa likod na tayo. Mauna ka.
We're gonna go inside. Wait me.
Spaces malapang naman.
Datangan.
May bayan sa likod. Bayan ng Manila. Manila.
Sabi dito ka na lang magpagawa. Tingnan mo. Walang laman. Walang laman. Rest house. Pag wala ka nang magawa sa dito ka na lang magpatay. Wala nga rin magawa sa wala sila Ate Elsa.
Mas maganda view dito. Mas maganda view dito. Kasi dito kasi oh, yan o. Dito yung bahay. Dito yung lote ko, Tiyuchi. Dito. Mababa tayo. 957 partner, 9. 9, knock 9. 957. 957 ba dyan? 1 to na nakikita. 1, 2, 1, 2. Black 9.
Ako may yellow corner o...
Anong dot, sir? 57 nakikita ko rito eh. May 57 ba? Saka may ano na yan, may ganun na yan eh.
Black 10.
So we're here at Aquafun. Look at the hotel. Aquafun. Aquafun. Yes. So we're here in Maribeles, Bataan. So this is the water park. Look at that. So nice. Sad. I don't have a chance to go to the water schools. Brothers. Oh, looks fun. Kaya parang masaya yun. No? Okay lang yun eh. Tapos yung slide lang. Shoo! Shoo! Ito nga, maganda nga eh. Masarap ka doon. Masarap ka doon. Okay. So guys, we're here. Just gonna show you around. Look! Ay, I want to go in there. Oh, they just fit lang. But look at it, guys. There's a swimming pool. An overlooking pool. And there's a slide. There's a slide pa going down. There's more. Look. There's the slide. And there's the pool pa over there. And you can see the view of the ocean. Nice cute little turtles. There's a pool! Ang kiddie pool! There's a kiddie pool. Cute! I think I can only go until my knee deep lang because I am not allowed to. Cutie. And then there's this cute water slide. There's infinity pool. There's one more over there. And then there's one like very deep. Hindi ko lang alam. Baby pool. Eto baby pool. Mababaw lang.
Baby pool.
Baby pool. May yun no, may water slide.
Ayan din sa baba, meron pa.
Hindi, ano lang, water slide. So, that's it guys, look at the view. It's a nice view. So guys, we're gonna enjoy lang our time here. So, that's it. See you later. Guys, we're here at... Mami, may sasakyan. Dito, Mami, lika dito. Mami! Nasaan na sila? So we're going here in Figaro. We're going here to Figaro. Kit.
Iniwanan niyo ba? Oh, nice. So good.
Lang guys, we're gonna our order. Here's our order. It's automatic.
Tigil-tigil sa lahat. I have my
Return na. Give excuse. Return na siya. Bye-bye. Kit. The order. So guys, we're done na at Figaro. So we're
Can you put this inside my bag?
Can you hold this up first?
No.
So guys, we're just on day tour lang here in Kamaya Coast. So, parang ang saya na, no, cute? Tama kung wala talaga ako. Gusto ko talaga yan. Cute ganyan. Gusto ko yung cute. Pag uwi ni Cory, mag-ganito ulit. Ha? Kami na lang. Kami na lang. Kaya mo naman eh. Yung magsi-CR lang. Baka mo dito. Ito. Ang bigat mo dami. Pwede bang diretso tayo rin? Down here. We're going back. With the jet ski.
Kaya mo bumaba.
So guys, we're going home. We're only here for day tour because we have work tomorrow and they have another place to go to tomorrow. So we're all here. Yes, dali mo naman. Kasi nag-video ako. Where's Christy? So we're going na. Ay, ayan yung pila. Tajoy, ayan na yung pila. Bawal pa pumunta dun. There's a line kasi going there to the ferry. And it's a long line now. There's a long line now. So, going home. Going there to the ferry. It's gonna start boarding at 4 p.m. So there, oh. Swim between flags. They said swim between flags. So there. You're gonna fall in line. But at least this is not a lot. Si Christine. So it's a long line. So guys, we're gonna go home. We're done now on our day tour. Gonna update again once the line moves. Okay. So we're going. Mami, gusto mo sama ka sa vlog ko? Ay ka dito. Ah, di ba? Ayaw mo naman.
Ay, mauna ako kukuha ng kayo ng picture.
Picture pala.
Wala yan, dami. Ay! Cute. Ayaw nila dito sa hagdan. Guys, we're going here. Uy! Drone. Uy! Maalon.
Tingnan mo. May sasama mo ba si mother dito?
Kaya nga, hindi makakasama.
Ano ba yan? Pero tayo lasay.
Oo, dinadala. Guys, we're going back. Hindi ay.
Para tayo
tumalon dito sa part na to. Uy.
Napasukin na natin. RJ. Ano ka na rin, no? Nagre-render ka na lang din, no?
Yeah! Pala, nag-render ka na lang.
Tara na.
Ano naman tayo?
Ewan ko. Puno na dito eh. Ito na, magkakatabi. Sa gilid. Eh, dara. Ay, reserve seat. Nakalagay. Naka-reserve seat yun. Ah, wala na, dito na.
Reserve mo.
Guys, we're going back to Manila.
Bigla na lang ba?
We're going back to Manila. Tara! Guys, we're moving. We're going back to Manila.
We hope you enjoyed your stay at Kamaya Coast. MVXGC Explorer will bring you back to our Manila Seaport Terminal at CCP Complex in just 2 hours and 10 minutes. This ferry is 32.23 meters long. And has a passenger capacity of 355. On board are 12 crew personnel with 4 officers who will make sure you will arrive
Guys,
safe
we're
to
going
your
back.
destination.
It's just the ocean. Bye-bye. We arrived na here in Manila. We just went straight to the parking because I'm dizzy na eh. It's very wavy. But that's it guys. Ano ba yun? Para namang maliwanag naman. So,
Kaya sabi ni Tito Ronnie.
Halika, ikaw na lang maghanap ng charger.
ay wag ako. Ano ba? Ako na nga.
It's somewhere there.
Cute. Here?
Oo. Kung wala dito sa likod ng upuan ko, it's somewhere there.
Then,
Sa likod ng ginagawa.
vlogging. Thank you for watching.
Wala.